Imagine if I give you a pair of shoes that are a little bit too small. You put them on, you feel uncomfortable, and you can't wait to take them off. Nobody likes tight shoes. But this is exactly what happened to this woman. She and many girls were forced to wear very tiny shoes for years just to keep their feet small. The smaller the feet, the better looking a woman was considered, even if it meant deforming the body. This shocking tradition back then was considered
很美很高兴
beautiful. But this is not a sad story, it's an inspiring one. 91 years ago, China banned this tradition here and everywhere. And this 95-year-old grandma
以后我是不吃饭
is one of only 10 women left with these feet in the world. This tradition is no more, and this is a reminder that we should be grateful for all the traditions that we didn't have to follow. That's 1 minute.
每天见